Good morning, second grade. It's your old pal, Mrs. Munyon, coming to you again today this morning to teach you about our phonics target skill for the week. So you know that we've been working on the sounds for short A and short I, correct? So we know that short A says eh, and we know that short I says eh. So this morning we're going to be talking about two-syllable words with the short sounds for A and I, ah and I. And today we're going to be talking about something that's called the consonant vowel consonant pattern. And we're going to be taking a look at knowing how to divide a two-syllable word into two syllables by looking at the pattern of letters that are in it and knowing where to draw the dividing line to divide it into two syllables. So what we're going to do is we're going to be reading and blending some words that are only one syllable. And then we're going to be reading and blending some words that are two syllables. And when we read and blend those two-syllable words, we're going to take a look and decide where we would divide that word into two syllables. And there's a rule that we're going to learn today that will help us to know where and how to divide those words. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start out with a short word, like this one. When I write a letter T and I say sound, oops, let's get our pencil working here. When I write a letter T and I say sound, what are you supposed to do? That's right, you should say tuh. So sound, tuh. Sound, I. Blend and hold. Tip. What's the word? Tip. Now if I take the word tip, and I write the word tip, and then I'm going to make that into a compound word, I'm going to add the word top. Okay, so second grade, I want you to say tip top. Good. Now, if we clap out the syllables in tip, we say tip. That's a one-syllable word. It gets one clap, tip. And then when we clap out the syllables in tip top, we say tip top. So that's a two-syllable word. So in today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how you would divide the word tip top into two syllables. So in other words, if you're going to draw the line that separates the two syllables, where does that line go? So that's today's target skill. In the word tip top, there's a pattern. And once you know where that pattern is, and you can find out the letters that I'm talking about that are in the pattern, you'll always know where and how to divide the word. So in the word tip top, we're going to look for something that's called a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. And here's where it is. The letter I is a vowel. The letter P is a consonant. The letter T is a consonant. And the letter O is another vowel. So if we clap it out again, tip, top. We hear tip, and then we hear top. So when we draw the line to divide this word into two syllables, we divide it between the two consonants. So watch what I mean. Again, I is a vowel, P and T are consonants, and O is a vowel. So we would divide that word, right here between the P and the T. Tip, top. And again, that's called the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Tip, top is a two-syllable word. Both of the syllables in the word tip, top are called closed syllables. A closed syllable is when you have one consonant that follows one vowel. So the letter P is keeping the I, a short I sound, I. And in top, the letter P is keeping the letter O, a short O, ah. Let's take a look at another one. Once you learn to identify this pattern, it's a lot of fun looking forward and dividing words. Sound, pa. Sound, I. Blend and hold. Pig, pig. Now this time I'm going to blend the big word. Sound, pa. Sound, I. Sound, ga. Sound, ol. Sound, eh. Blend and hold. Piglet, piglet. Okay, let's clap out the word pig. Pig, one syllable. Let's clap out piglet. Piglet, two syllables. Now let's go look in that word for our pattern. So I is a vowel, G is a consonant, L is a consonant, E is a vowel. So when you divide piglet into two syllables, once again, you're going to divide between your two consonants. So between the G and the L, we're going to draw the dividing line. piglet. This is a two-syllable word with the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Both of the syllables in this word are closed syllables. That means that both syllables have a short vowel sound, and that vowel sound is kept short by that consonant that follows it. So let's read line 1. Tip, tip, top, pig, piglet. Line 2. Sound, buh. Sound, yeah. Blend and hold. Bit, bit. Sound, tuh. Sound, if. Sound, duh. Sound, buh. Sound, if. Blend and hold. Tidbit, tidbit. Okay, let's clap out bit, bit. That's one syllable. Let's clap out tidbit, tidbit. That's a two-syllable word. Do we see the pattern in there? I think we do. I is a vowel, D and B are consonants, and I is another vowel. So where would you draw the line to divide tidbit into two syllables, do you think? That's right. Good job. You're going to draw the line between the D and the B. Tidbit. It has two closed syllables. Tid has a short I sound. Bit has a short I sound. Both of those I's are being made a short vowel because they're followed by one consonant. If the last letter in that first syllable is a consonant with a short vowel, this is a closed syllable, this is a closed syllable. Okay, sound, buh, sound, ah, sound, s, sound, cup, sound, eh, blended hold. Basket, basket. Clap it out. Basket. Two syllables, correct? Does it have the pattern? You're right, it does. It has the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Okay, next question. Where would we draw the line to divide basket into two syllables? You're right again, between the S and the K. Good job. Two syllables, they're both closed syllables. Sound, sound, ah, sound, ga, sound, sound, eh, blend and hold. Magnet, magnet. Clap that word out. Magnet, two syllables, right? Look for the pattern. Did you find it? A is a vowel, G and N are consonants, E is a vowel. So this word does have the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So where do we draw the dividing line? That's right, between the G and the N. Well done. Let's read line 2. Bit, tidbit, basket, magnet. Okay, on this next line, I'm going to write the words and then we'll go back and divide. Are you ready? Napkin. Rabbit. Fabric. Zigzag. Let's read line 3 again. Napkin, rabbit, fabric, zigzag. Clap it out. Napkin. Divide it where? That's right, between the P and the K. Rabbit. Clap it out. Rabbit. Divide it where? Do you see the pattern? Do you see the two consonants that are in between the two vowels? Between the B and the B. Good job. Fabric. Clap it out. Fabric. Divide that word where? Do you see the pattern? Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Divide it between the B and the R. Zigzag. Clap it out. Zigzag. Divide it where to make it two syllables? Right. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We're going to divide between the G and the Z, zig and zag. Okay, our next line. Laptop. Picture. Chapter. Pencil. Let's clap them out. Laptop. Divide it where? You're right. Between the P and the T, it has our pattern. Picture. Picture. Divide it where? You're right. Between the C and the T because it has our pattern. Chapter. Chapter. Look for the pattern. Do you see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern in there? You're right. Between the P and the T. Pencil. Pencil. Divide it where? Does it have the pattern? Do you see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern in there? You're right. Between the N and the C. Good job, second grade. Let's take a look at our sentence today. Take 5. Take 5 fabric. Take 5 fabric napkins. Take 5 fabric napkins. So second grade, can you apply the skill that we've learned today to this sentence? Do you see the pattern that we learned in any of the words in the sentence that's on the bottom line? Do you see it in take? No. Do you see the pattern in 5? No. Do you see the pattern in fabric? Yes. Clap it out. Fabric. Divide it where? You're brilliant and you're right between the B and the R. Clap out napkins. Napkins. It's a 2-syllable word, so let's look for the pattern. Is it in there? Good eye. It is in there. So divide it where? Yep, between the P and the K. Good job, second grade. Today's lesson was about the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. When you have a 2-syllable word and you're looking to divide it into 2 syllables, watch for the pattern. If you see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern in the word, we always divide it between those 2 consonants, right? Okay, second grade, good job. Keep learning, keep reading, and I'll see you next time. Bye.